What are you eating, Michael Groover? Nuts? Pistachio nuts. Hey y'all, come on in the kitchen. I love the recipe that I'm gonna share with y'all today because it's been hanging around in my repertoire for 25 or 30 years. It was in my very first cookbook, and Teresa was telling me it has what, 80 5-star reviews?
Yes.
So
it is easy.
Easy. There's a good chance you might already have all this stuff on hand. And it's the Lady and Sons chicken and a wine sauce. So easy, y'all. And I've got Teresa and I were just talking about, look at these huge breasts. Teresa and I were just talking about they don't sell these in packages of 4 anymore, and I know that's for a reason. I know they're doing it so they'll get you to buy the second pack. Don't y'all think?
Yes.
Don't you think that's what it is?
And I refuse to
I think it's about money, honey. Yeah, these breasts are so big you could cut them in 2, y'all, and easy feed 4 people. And if it's 2 children, they can split a breast, and you still have, you could feed 5 with this, I think. Don't you?
Those are huge.
Yes. All right, so I put our boneless, skinless chicken breast in a buttered casserole dish. Gonna add a little salt and pepper. You gonna say, "Dadgum, Paula." It don't get no easier than that. And I'm using a baby Swiss cheese that I'm laying on top of it now. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix 1/4 of a cup of white wine with 1 can of concentrated chicken soup. So we're just gonna mix those together. And we're gonna put this in the oven at 350, y'all. And I think we'll probably bake it for like 45 minutes. You know, so this is, you know, if you get home at 5 or 5:30 in the afternoon, you can easy have dinner on the table by 6:30. Okay, so we're just gonna mix that up real good. And then we're gonna pour that over the cheese. I just want to get that wine incorporated. That might be the hardest part of the whole recipe, y'all. Getting the wine and the chicken soup stirred together. Okay, so we're just gonna pour that over there. Like so. Yeah, that's amazing that it had 85 star. So that tells me right off the bat that y'all have enjoyed eating and preparing this simple little recipe. All right, now we're gonna take just like a Pepperidge Farm or whoever makes it, I don't know, stuffing. And we're using a bread stuffing, aren't we?
Yes.
Not the cornbread stuffing.
Just a bread with herb.
Yeah, an herb bread. I could almost like a few more bread crumbs. Can we get them,
You
Therese?
sure can. Hold up.
Okay. Y'all, it's so good to be back in my kitchen. Those of you that's been hanging out here with me for a very, oh, thank you, Therese.
Have as many as you want.
Thank you. I just like that crunchy top, you know?
Are you going to need
But-
more butter?
I don't think so.
Okay.
The cook note on this is you can use more butter if you like.
And breadcrumbs, apparently.
And breadcrumbs. Yeah, I just want it covered good. Ooh, look at the herbs. I just got to the herbs on that, Teresa. Okie doke. And then we're just gonna pour our melted
Oh!
our melted hard butter.
Lordus.
It won't take but a second to heat that. So, get it. So, those of y'all that have been hanging out with me in the kitchen for a very long time, hopefully you'll see things that you recognize. You know, I had the big rooster painting up here for a long time, for years. And it's hanging now in the other room behind this. Michael had,
The magic of the microwave.
yeah, oh, thank you. Michael had gone on a hunting trip, and he loves his taxidermy, so it was important to me that he has something in this house that he really loves and part of him. He does something I personally could not do, but he likes it and enjoys it. And I think I may have told y'all the sofa down there was Michelle and Anthony's great-grandmother, and Nana lived to be 102 years old. So one day Michelle called and she said, Paula, I've got Nana's sofa. Would you like to have it? And I said, well, send me a picture. I think I may have told y'all. Send me a picture. And when she sent me that picture, I said, heck yes. Heck yes, I want that sofa. So that means a lot to me that they can come in and see something, you know, from their childhood too. I like everybody to see something and have something, you know, that means a lot to them. Okie doke. So, like I tell you in the recipe, you can always add more butter, but I think that's plenty. So in the oven, let me check the time, 350 for about 45 minutes. So Teresa, you want to stick this? I've only taken y'all on a tour of just this part of the house, and so I hadn't taken you into what I call the wet pantry because it has a sink in it.
Oh, we did that.
We did?
Yeah.
We did? Okay, good. I can't remember. But I can't wait to take y'all on a tour in the living room. But, you know, we're just having to be a little patient because I want it ready when I take y'all through it. So, and we just measured windows today for window treatments. So, won't be long. Won't be as long as it has been. Okay, so we'll check on that in 45 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, and see how it's coming. And I'll be back with you. It doesn't get any simpler than that, does it? Our chicken and wine sauce is ready, y'all. Look how big that chicken breast is.
This smells so good.
Doesn't it
Baking.
smell delicious? Oh. Michael, I want you to come over here, please, and taste this. Like I said, it's been in my repertoire for so many years. And it's got a lot of 5-star ratings on it. So tell me how you like it. I don't think I've ever cooked it for you. Oh, see, I hear the crunch. I hear the crunch.
Oh, that's delicious.
Yay! Another 5-star recommendation, y'all.
Is this like breastfeeding?
What do you mean breastfeeding? Oh, feeding your breast. You're so good.
Have some.
Okay. Thank you. You cut the biggest pieces to go in my little mouth. So good. I've forgotten how good it was. And easy.
That's good. I think I've tasted it before.
Well, maybe. I can't remember. It's one of several thousand.
It's good.
So y'all do try it if y'all have never tried this particular recipe. Because it's very, very good. chicken and wine sauce. You can find it on my website or either in my first or second cookbook, the Lady and Sons Savannah Country Cooking, and then the Lady and Sons 2, T-O-O. Y'all have a blessed day.
Bye,
Love
y'all.
and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.